लाहौर से आ रहा हूँ। I am coming from Lahore. I am coming from Lahore. मैं कल से काम करूँगा। I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. मैंने इसे किताब से लिखा है। I wrote it from the book. I wrote it from the book. हम कराची से हैं। We are from Karachi. We are from Karachi. वो इसे दुकान से खरीद रहा है। He is buying it from the shop. He is buying it from the shop. मैंने बिस्तर से मोबाइल उठाया। I picked the mobile off the bed. I picked the mobile off the bed. बंदर ने दरख्त से छलांग लगा दी। Monkey jumped off the tree. Monkey jumped off the tree. कप को मेज से हटा दें। Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. मैं सुबह से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying since morning. I have been studying since morning. वो मेरे पास पैसे लेने आया था। He came to me for money. He came to me for money. वो कमरे में जा रहा है। He is going into the room. He is going into the room. ये ट्रेन वक्त से पहले पहुंच जाएगी। This train will reach before time. This train will reach before time. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. मैं तुम्हें कल कॉल करूँगा। I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. इसे अपने पास रखें। Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. तुम्हारा भाई कहाँ काम करता है? Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work? आपने ये किताब कहाँ से ली है? Where did you take this book from? Where did you take this book from? हमारी दो दुकानें हैं। We have two shops. We have two shops. तुम आज स्कूल क्यों नहीं गए? Why did you not go to school today? Why did you not go to school today?